Lemon balm, scientifically known as Melissa officinalis, is a perennial herb in the mint family. Renowned for its mild lemon scent and flavor, lemon balm has been used for centuries for its medicinal, culinary, and aromatic properties. This video explores the various aspects of lemon balm, including its historical significance, cultivation, harvesting methods, and its extensive range of uses in modern herbal medicine. Historical significance. Lemon balm has a rich historical background, dating back to ancient Greece and Rome. The renowned physician Paracelsus referred to lemon balm as the elixir of life, attributing its ability to rejuvenate and invigorate the body. Medieval European beekeepers also favored lemon balm, using it to attract bees to hives. One historical anecdote involves Charlemagne, who, according to legend, ordered the cultivation of lemon balm in every monastery garden due to its believed healing properties and its use as a bee attractant. Growth and cultivation. Lemon balm is native to southern Europe, particularly the Mediterranean region, but it has become naturalized across much of Europe, North America, and Asia. It thrives in temperate climates and prefers well-drained soil with partial to full sunlight. The plant grows to a height of about 2 to 3 feet, producing small white flowers that attract bees. Lemon balm can be propagated through seeds, cuttings, or division, making it a versatile addition to gardens. It is almost exactly the same in appearance as mint, in the same family, but as soon as you pull off one of the aromatic leaves and break it open, you can instantly tell the difference between the two. Harvesting. The best time to harvest lemon balm is just before the plant flowers, when the essential oils are at their peak. Leaves can be harvested individually or by cutting the entire plant back to encourage regrowth. After harvesting, the leaves should be dried in a cool, dark place to preserve their medicinal properties. Fresh leaves can also be used immediately or stored in the freezer for later use. Edible uses. Lemon balm's mild lemon flavor makes it a popular ingredient in culinary dishes. It can be used to flavor teas, salads, soups, and sauces. The leaves can be steeped to make a soothing herbal tea or added to desserts and beverages for a refreshing citrus note. Please note, this video is for educational purposes only. It is not meant to diagnose, treat, prevent, or cure any illness or disease. I recommend consulting with a qualified healthcare professional that is open to complementary medicine prior to trying anything new. Medicinal uses and treatment methods. Lemon balm is valued in herbal medicine for its wide range of therapeutic properties. Anxiety and insomnia. Lemon balm has calming effects, making it useful for reducing anxiety and promoting restful sleep. It can be taken as a tea, tincture, or in capsule form. Cognitive clarity. The herb helps clear and calm thoughts, improving mental clarity and focus. Regular consumption of lemon balm tea can enhance cognitive function. Herpes, cold sores, and shingles. Lemon balm has antiviral properties that make it effective in treating herpes simplex virus, HSV, infections, cold sores, and shingles. Topical applications of lemon balm ointment or cream can accelerate healing and reduce symptoms. Premenstrual syndrome, PMS. The herb can alleviate symptoms of PMS, including mood swings and menstrual cramps. Drinking lemon balm tea during the menstrual cycle can provide relief. Heart and liver protector. Lemon balm supports cardiovascular health and protects the liver from damage. Its antioxidant properties help reduce oxidative stress, which can benefit both organs. Antibacterial and antifungal. Lemon balm exhibits antibacterial and antifungal effects, making it useful in treating minor infections and skin conditions. It can be applied as a topical ointment or included in skincare products. Diabetes management. Preliminary studies suggest that lemon balm may help regulate blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for people with diabetes. Anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. The herb's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties help reduce inflammation and combat free radicals, contributing to overall health and well-being. Cancer prevention. Some studies indicate that lemon balm may have cancer-fighting properties, though more research is needed to confirm its efficacy. Thyroid regulation. Lemon balm can help regulate thyroid function, particularly in hyperthyroidism. However, individuals with hyperthyroidism should consult a healthcare provider before using it. Digestive aid. The herb aids digestion and can relieve symptoms of indigestion, bloating, and gas. Drinking lemon balm tea after meals can soothe the digestive tract. Alzheimer's disease and dementia, lemon balm has shown potential in improving cognitive function and reducing agitation in patients with Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Skin healing and anti-aging. The herb promotes skin healing and reduces signs of aging due to its antioxidant properties. It can be used in skincare formulations to improve skin health. Warnings and precautions. While lemon balm is generally safe for most people, there are some precautions to consider. Thyroid conditions. Individuals with hypothyroidism or those taking thyroid medications should use lemon balm cautiously and under medical supervision, as it can interfere with thyroid hormone levels. Pregnancy and nursing. Pregnant or nursing women should consult a healthcare provider before using lemon balm to ensure it is safe for them and their baby. Allergies. As with any herb, there is a risk of allergic reactions. People with allergies to plants in the mint family should avoid lemon balm or use it with caution. Lemon balm is a versatile and valuable herb with a wide range of culinary and medicinal uses. Its historical significance, ease of cultivation, and numerous health benefits make it a worthwhile addition to any herbal apothecary. Whether used to soothe anxiety, aid digestion, or enhance skin health, lemon balm continues to be a cherished herb in natural medicine.